Be passionate about what you're doing, be patient about what you're doing, and build a company based upon integrity. My name is Arthur Tanner. My company is Tin Master Incorporated. We are a commercial HVAC contractor. Sheet metal is our specialty. In the beginning, it's just a dream, a vision that you can do it. But when you actually are in the trenches, you see it's a much more challenging responsibility. So you've got to be, in my opinion, very clear on how you need to move forward with growing your company. It's just not going to be something that you learn overnight. It's not something that is easily done. It was just pretty clear that UEP came to the table to add value, and their intent was to try and make sure that they could help the company grow. UEP came into the company and allowed us to have a better process for our accounting procedures. UEP came into our business and helped us from the standpoint of management, understanding our employees better and how to go about making sure that the harmony was in place. UEP came in and allowed us to see how we would go about growing our business in a way that was going to reduce risk. Before UEP, we were averaging somewhere in the neighborhood of $7 million on an annual basis. Right now, we are doing about $14 million in annual sales. The UEP is structured to allow those that have this dream to become entrepreneurs to actually make it happen. It allows you to take off. We built more than just a business relationship, we built a friendship and a relationship built on trust.